My name's Ahumada. Shit, I had something really good to say and then I forgot it. 2 seconds. Hey, I'm Ahumada. I just built up a fresh bike, so here's my bike check. I got the new Total hangover frame with the Total Limelight forks and Total World Peace bars, which are 8.5 high. My brakes are the 34R Clito system. They're really good, they're different, they're one of the best brake setups I've had to date. They work really well. The stem is a 34R front loader stem. My grips are ODI long necks. Green beasts like the Hulk. Seat is a Total blackjack seat, a one-piece seat post combo. I have the 34R auto cranks and sprocket set up. The sprocket is 28 tooth and the cranks are nice and short. It's 165mm beasts. I like my cranks short. Pedals are 34R. They have a tie spindle and a magnesium body. Now we'll go down to my wheels. I'll start at the front wheel. I have an Alienation Deviant rim with 34R tie spokes and a Profile Mini front hub with tie bolts. On the back I have a Revenge rim, Profile Mini hub with all tie bits and bobs and 34R tie spokes. So I'd like to give a really big thank you to TotalBMX and 34R BMX for getting me sorted with the new bike for 2013. I'm super excited to go ride it, so let's go test this bad boy. Okay, so some of you might have noticed that my front wheel changes colour. This is because I crashed and landed into boggin and smashed my face, and this is what happened to my old rim. It's a bit bent. Don't land sideways, boys and girls.